First!
Wag mo apakan yung ano, yung bagong spot. Oh. Abote.
Where? Ne, ikaw.
Wag mo apakan yung bagong spot, maliit lang yan. Kaalaman.
Video na to?
Oh, video yan. Naka-record yan. Nare-record yan.
Ops. Tayo. Para mas maganda yun. This is Isaw Alabata. He making to weld the tube. He very careful what is doing because no accidental benefits. That is Isaw Alabata. He have two children
And 3 wives.
and 3 wives, but he love also in one person.
This is Bisaya. He find a perfect wife.
Baog.
Qualification, menopause. Oh, yeah.